Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mommy's Bakery. Today we're going to be making everyone's favorite nostalgic school cake recipe. So here I'm just adding the margarine and then the sugar, and we are going to beat it until it's light, fluffy and airy. The reason I use margarine is because the icing is already very sweet, as you all may know, but I kind of want like a balance of flavors. I don't want to be all over the place, hence why I used stork or margarine. Now I've added the lightly beaten large eggs. You want to add them little by little and then just keep on beating between. Back then when I used to go to school, we used to get this in my lunch and I always remember just looking forward to it, and it's very nostalgic. Now I've added the vanilla extract. Now I'm going in and adding the self-raising flour. For this, no additional baking powder or baking soda is needed. While we're here waiting, I might as well take this chance to ask you guys to please subscribe, like and turn the post notifications on so that we can carry on uploading for you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Now I'm just going to oil the tin or butter it, and I'm adding the batter, make sure it's even. Guys, now it's time to bake. You just have to bake this at 170 Celsius and approximately 40 minutes depending on your oven. Alright everyone, let's move on to the icing. So I added some boiled water into some melted butter and then the icing sugar. Of course, I use 200 grams, but you can use up to 300 grams if you want like a thick layer of icing. Me and my kids personally prefer just like a thin layer, but again, up to you. And you just want to mix it until it's a spreadable consistency. Now finally, let's top off with the rainbow sprinkles just to give it that same look of the cake that we used to have. Okay guys, time to cut the cake. I'm going to be cutting into even, large 12 slices. And this just brings back so many memories and just tastes like exactly what we used to have, even better in fact. So you guys, I hope you try out this recipe and tell me how it went in the comments. I personally like it with some custard, but of course it's up to you and you can just leave it at the cake itself with the icing, but I just love the hint of the sweetness again. But thanks for watching, hope you like it. Subscribe, like and comment. Bye!